Today I'm going to be showing you how to crochet this beautiful lacy stitch. It is seriously so easy, and I don't know, what would you guys call this? Is it similar to a butterfly? I think it looks like petals. Anyways, we're going to be learning how to work this beautiful crochet stitch, and it is part of the Stitch A Day series that I'm doing in December. Get your crochet hook, get your yarn, and let us begin crocheting this swatch. This stitch is a multiple of 8 plus 4, and for the sake of this demonstration I'm going to chain 36 because 32 is a multiple of 8 and we add 4 to that to arrive at 36. To begin row 1, we are going to work a double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. 1 2 3. In this 4th chain we work a double crochet. Now in this same 4th chain we work one more double crochet, so we're doing 2 double crochets in the 4th chain from the hook, like this. Then we skip 2 chains and in the next chain work a single crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 chain and work a single crochet in the next. Skip 2 chains, 1 2, and in the next chain work 5 double crochets. Skip 2 chains and in the next chain work a single crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 chain, work a single crochet in the next. We are repeating now. You skip 2 chains and work 5 double crochets in the next. 5 double crochets done. Skip 2 chains, work a single crochet in the next. Chain 1, skip 1 chain, work a single crochet in the next. Skip 2 chains, 5 double crochets in the next. Skip 2 chains, work a single crochet in the next. Chain 1, skip 1 chain, single crochet in the next. Skip 2 chains, and now in the very last chain we are going to work 3 double crochets. And with that we have come to the end of row 1. Have your 5 double crochets, and in the middle we have the single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. Let's move on to row 2, which we would start by chaining 3. 1 2 3, and then we turn. Double crochet in this next double crochet, double crochet in the next double crochet, double crochet in this single crochet, and then double crochet in the chain 1, between the 2 single crochets. That gives us 5 double crochets. 1 2 3 4 5. Then chain 3 in this middle double crochet. In the 3rd double crochet of these 5 double crochets we are going to work a double crochet. 1 2 in the 3rd one, work a double crochet, chain 3. Now single crochet in this chain 1 space, the chain 1 between the 2 single crochets, we work a double crochet there, double crochet in the single crochet after, double crochet in the next double crochet, double crochet in the next double crochet, double crochet in the next. Continue working double crochets till you get to the chain 1 space. Double crochets in this double crochet. We're done with double crochets in all the 5 pieces. We continue, we do a double crochet in this single crochet immediately after the 5 pieces, and the last double crochet we'll do is in the chain 1 space. So we are working the double crochet from this previous chain 1 space, the chain 1 space in this single crochet, chain 1 single crochet, from that chain 1 space up until the next chain 1 space, like this. And chain 3. In the 3rd double crochet of this 5 we work a double crochet, chain 3 again, Then work a double crochet in this chain one space between the two single crochets, then double crochet in the single crochet, double crochet in the double crochet, double crochet in the next double crochet, and double crochet in the last double crochet, which is this chain 3 from the previous row. And with that, we have come to the end of row number 2. This is what our fabric looks like at this point. To begin row 3, we're going to chain 1 and turn and work a single crochet in the first double crochet, single crochet in the next double crochet, and chain 5. In this chain 3 space here, we work a single crochet, chain 1, and then single crochet in the next chain 3 space, chain 5. Now skip 3 double crochets, 1 2 3, and in this next double crochet we work a single crochet, chain 1, skip this double crochet and work a single crochet in the next double crochet, chain 5, single crochet in this next chain 3 space, chain 1, single crochet in the next chain 3 space, chain 5. To finish the row, skip 3 double crochets and work a single crochet in the next, then work a single crochet in the very last stitch. That is the end of row number 3. I think this stitch is very easy. To do row number 4, chain 3, 1 2 3, and turn. Now work a double crochet in the second single crochet here. Then in this chain 3 space, we're going to work 3 double crochets, 1 2 3, then we chain 3, double crochet in this chain 1 space here, chain 3 again. In this chain 5 space, we're going to work 3 double crochets, 1 2 3, then work a double crochet in the single crochet here, double crochet in the chain 1 space, double crochet in the next single crochet, and then 3 double crochets in this chain 5 space, chain 3, double crochet in the chain 1 between these 2 single crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets in this chain 5 space, and to finish up the row, work a double crochet in this single crochet and then a double crochet in the very first single crochet of the previous row. That is the end of row 4, and from here on the pattern repeats itself. So what I mean is that the next row we're going to do is a repeat of row 1. As usual, I'm going to do that one with you. You're able to proceed from there. So let's do row 5 together. And again, row 5 is a repeat of row 1. We start by chaining 3 and then we turn. In this first double crochet, this same one, we work 2 double crochets. Makes that 3 double crochets in the first stitch, then skip 2 double crochets, 1 2, and in the next double crochet work a single crochet, chain 1, single crochet in the next chain 3 space. Then in this double crochet here we do 5 double crochets. Okay, in this chain 3 space here we work a single crochet, chain 1, skip this double crochet and work a single crochet in the next double crochet, skip 2 double crochets, and in the next double crochet we work 5 double crochets, skip 2 double crochets, work a single crochet in the next, chain 1, skip this double crochet and work a single crochet in the chain 3 space. In this double crochet here we work 5 double crochets, then single crochet in this next chain 3 space, chain 1, skip 1 double crochet, single crochet in the next chain 3 space, and then in this skip 2 double crochets, and in this last double crochet here we work 3 double crochets. So like I said, this row we just finished, row 5, is a repeat of row number 1. So what you're going to do to continue now is repeat row 2, repeat row 3, repeat row 4, and then you continue to repeat it like that till you get to your desired length. I feel like this stitch is seriously so easy, and I like the fact that the lace is forming like a form of motif. I don't know what to describe this motif as right now. Maybe it looks sort of like a butterfly or like a petal. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think this lace thing is forming in the comments down below. Remember to make your swatch just like I've done in this video, and I'll see you in the next video.